Let's go over how to add and delete locations in attendance management. Adding locations helps verify participant attendance through geolocation. Please note, your participant's location data is never stored or shared. To get started, make sure the toggle under geolocation is on. It will be highlighted blue when it is on. Next, navigate under Responding in Person and click Add Location. On the right-hand side, you will see a map. Navigate your cursor to this map and click into the map. You can use your cursor to drag the pin to the location you want to set for the geofence. Identify the range you want to set for your geofence, name the location, and click Save. You can also use the search bar at the top of the map to identify the location you want to set as your check-in location. To do this, enter the name or address of the location in the search bar, press Enter on your keyboard, and ensure the address is correct. Next, you will want to make sure you set the range for your geofence, name the location, and click Save. To delete a location, click the trash bin icon below that location and then click OK.